my name is Kat Liffner, and today we're going to do a very simple pour. The background is some leftover titanium white, and I put some Mars Black in there to get this very light gray shade. And I'm just going to spread that all over the canvas, and don't forget to do your sides. And I'm going to speed this up so you don't die of boredom. Okay, so once you've put the base layer down, you want to pop the air bubbles, and you can do that with a heat gun like I'm using, or a kitchen torch, or I've seen people even use little lighters, but you want to not hover over too much, because then you'll heat up the paint and burn your painting. So just be cautious and go over it very lightly. This first color that I'm putting down is a Aquamarine from Folk Art Treasure Gold, and it is a metallic, and it has kind of a grayish undertone to it, and it is very, very pretty. But it is metallic, and looking back at how the painting turned out, I think I could have done without this color. But this next one, I love this combo. It's Mars Black and Phthalocyanine Blue, both from Liquitex Basics, and it's very dark, but it has that blue undertone, and I just think it's a beautiful combination of colors. And of course, here we go. Clumsy. Spilling paint everywhere. Having to clean it up. But with fluid art, you can. So that's cool. And just like that, it's as if it never happened. Except I recorded it and put it out on the internet. But, details. So I'm gonna take my heat gun again and just kind of pop the bubbles in that area and on the colors. And then I'm gonna take my hairdryer and just blow this out carefully, because I don't want it to be too spread out, because my plan is to then just kind of blow it out a little bit more detailed with a straw. So this is a straw in a straw, because I don't want to dip my entire body into my paintings, and straws are kind of short. I put a thicker straw over a thinner straw, and that way I can extend it a little bit further. But whenever you use a straw and you blow it with your mouth, you want to make sure you don't get saliva on your painting, because that is that's going to ruin the consistency of your paint. So I am just gonna play around with this and blow some things out and correct some things and put more paint down and just kind of make it a little bit more wispy and have some interest in it. And I'm not gonna talk throughout the whole thing because ain't nobody got time for that. So I will be back before the video ends, but until then, please enjoy this music from Carl Casey at White Bat Audio. He can be found here on YouTube and he creates some amazing stuff. So be sure to check him out, and I will be back in just a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate all the support that you guys give me. And if you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.